Welcome to our video on job search strategies. Looking for a job can be tough, but we're here to help you find it fast. First, update your resume. Tailor it for specific jobs so it resonates with potential employers. Second, leverage your network. Reach out to friends, family, and former colleagues to let them know you're job hunting. Third, use job search engines effectively. Set up alerts for job postings that match your skills and interests. Fourth, customize your cover letter. A personalized cover letter can make a significant difference in your application. Fifth, prepare for interviews. Practice common interview questions and showcase your accomplishments confidently. Sixth, consider temporary or freelance work. It can provide valuable experience and potentially lead to permanent positions. Seventh, stay persistent and positive. Job searching can take time, but staying proactive is key. Now, let's recap those strategies one more time to keep you motivated on your job search journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more job search tips.